Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best quick dam is probably one of the most innovative solutions for flood control and water management that you'll find on the market. These amazing water-activated barriers are designed to absorb and contain water, providing a quick and effective way to protect your property from flooding. Whether you're dealing with heavy rain, overflowing rivers, or burst pipes, quick dams offer a convenient and reliable defense, and are super easy to deploy. Number 5. Quick Dam QD 65-25-foot Flood Barrier Bags. Introducing the Quick Dam Flood Barriers. These barriers are rated number 1 in flood control, providing reliable protection when you need it most. Simply get them wet, and watch them grow. In minutes, this barrier expands to 3.5 inches high, ready to protect your property. The long, flexible design allows you to create various shapes. This adaptability makes it easy to control, contain, and divert flood water effectively. Forget the hassle of sandbags. These barriers are ready to use, requiring no sand or extra labor. It's a convenient solution for immediate protection. When not in use, it stores away easily. Its compact and lightweight design ensures it's ready when you need it, without taking up much space. Use it to protect doorways, garages, and more. It's also great for leaking hot water tanks and erosion control. It's a versatile solution for various needs. What we like. This barrier is water-activated, expanding rapidly when wet. Its flexible design allows you to create various shapes to fit your needs. If you're looking for a quick and adaptable solution for doorways or garages, this is the one for you. What people say. If I could have given this more than 5 stars, I would. I normally get water under my sliding door whenever it rains, but can you believe I just experienced Hurricane Melissa, a Category 5 system, and this worked wonders for me. It held all the water that came in. Absorb the water that infiltrates under your door and prevents it from flooding your house. No mess to clean up. They always absorb water quickly, and I can reuse them. They're lightweight and very durable. No holes or issues. Number 4. Quick Dam QD 610-1 Flood Barrier. Are you worried about flooding? This barrier is your best choice. It is rated number 1 in flood control. This barrier is water-activated and grows in minutes. All you have to do is get it wet, and it will expand to 3.5 inches high. The design is long and flexible. You can create all sorts of shapes with it to fit your needs. Use it to control, contain, and divert flood water. It is very effective at protecting your property. It's ready to use, and you don't need any sand or labor. It's a convenient and easy solution. It is compact and lightweight, so you can store it away until you need it. It's easy to keep on hand for emergencies. Use it to protect doorways, garages, leaking hot water tanks, and for erosion control. It's a versatile product that can be used in many different situations. What we like. This barrier is water-activated, expanding rapidly when wet. Its flexible design allows you to create various shapes to fit your needs. If you have a smaller area to protect or need a single barrier for a specific spot, this is a great choice. What people say. Quick dams work great. They expand quickly when they get wet. They are easy to deploy. Number 3. Quick Dam QD 617-1 Flood Barriers. Are you worried about flood damage? These barriers are rated number 1 in flood control. They are designed to protect your home and property. Simply get them wet, and watch them grow. This product expands to 3.5 inches high in just minutes. It's quick and easy to deploy. The long and flexible design allows you to create different shapes. It can be used in various situations. This feature makes it adaptable to different needs. This product contains a super absorbent powder that swells and gels water. It effectively controls, contains, and diverts flood water. It's a reliable solution for flood protection. It's ready to use, with no sand or labor needed. The barriers are compact and lightweight, making them easy to store until needed. They are convenient and space-saving. Use it to protect doorways, garages, and more. It is also great for leaking hot water tanks and erosion control. This product offers versatile protection. What we like. This barrier contains a super absorbent powder that swells and gels water. It is ready to use, needing no sand or labor. If you like a product that offers extra absorption power and ease of use, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to use and does exactly as said. It has saved us a lot of work cleaning up water leaks. The dams do an excellent job of keeping water away from the bottom of the garage door, and since using them I've not had any water intrusion issues beneath the door. The product does an excellent job of absorbing the water and preventing water from entering the garage. Number 2. Quick Dam Grab and Go Flood Kit, QDGG 5-10. This is the Quick Dam Grab and Go Flood Kit. It's designed to provide fast and effective flood protection. The kit includes everything you need to get started. These barriers are water activated, making them incredibly easy to use. Simply get them wet, and they'll grow to their full size in minutes. Each bucket contains up to 50 feet of flood protection. This product is ready to use, and requires no sand or extra labor. You can store this kit in various places, like closets, cabinets, or even your vehicle. It's designed for convenience and ease of access. Use it to protect doorways, garages, or control erosion. This kit is a versatile solution for managing and diverting flood water. What we like. This kit offers up to 50 feet of flood protection in each bucket. It is ready to use and easy to store in closets, cabinets, or vehicles. If you need extensive protection and want a convenient, ready-to-go solution, this kit is perfect. What people say. Quick dams are easy to use. They work great for containing water. Number 1. Quick Dam WUM 10 Absorbent Mats, 10 pack. Introducing the Quick Dam WUM 10 Mats. They instantly soak up liquids on contact, including water, urine, and other spills. This product is designed for quick and efficient cleanup. These mats feature dual-sided absorption, meaning they work from both top and bottom. This design maximizes the surface area for full absorption, making cleanup easier. The mats quickly convert liquids into a gel, preventing spills from spreading. Each mat can absorb up to 1.5 quarts of liquid, providing a safe and clean environment. The inner absorbent material is fully contained, ensuring the gelled fluid stays inside the mat. One mat can replace up to 1.5 rolls of paper towels, saving you time and resources. The Quick Dam WUM 10 mats are ready to use right out of the box. Simply place the mat where needed, and it starts protecting immediately. No setup or activation is required. What we like. These mats instantly soak up liquids and convert them into gel. They feature dual-sided absorption for full surface efficiency. If you are looking for a solution for leaks, spills, or bodily fluids, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Quick dams work great. They are very easy to use. They expand rapidly when they come into contact with water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.